Now this is the working prototype video of a wireless transmission using NRZ24 module, and here we have connected this thing. This is a transmitter, and this transmitter is connected to the helmet. We can say here the cap is working as helmet. The IR sensor is used for detection of head. Here one is Arduino Nano is used with battery 9 volt and same RF module. Not RF, we can say NRF module. And this is the receiver section. Same here, the NRFZ module is used, Arduino used battery, and one LED multicolor. I think three color LED. So right now the receiver is disconnected with the transmitter, as you can see, because the transmitter is not on, and the blue color LED is blinking continuously. That means the connection is not done yet. If I turn on this thing, yes, right now you can see the everything is powered up on here, and this is completely wireless transmission. No wire is there, and right now you can see the red LED is on. That means the warning LED. You can say like that. Here you can connect the relay module to the ignition switch. So whenever the red LED is on, that means the engine will not turn on. We can connect the connection as a NO connection with the relay. So whenever, if anyone put this helmet, so it will detect the face and the red LED will turn on. If again, इधर आओ थोड़ा सा नीचे आओ इसके इधर बैठो. As you can see here, it is detecting the face. एक टाइम पे फ्रेम पे आना चाहिए. Right now the helmet is on, so the green LED is on. You can say now the ignition switch will only work. If I remove this helmet, again the red LED will turn on. Oh yeah, this is a very nice project, we can say.